How to combine shape and pattern in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First load a solid design and a pattern into the media. Step 2. Place the pattern on top of the solid design and resize it. Step 3. Once the pattern is sized, drag it aside and make a duplicate. Step 4. Zoom in for a closer look. Right-click the duplicated pattern and click Release Compound Path. Step 5. Right-click again and select Ungroup. Step 6. Select the entire outside piece and hit the Delete key on the keyboard to delete it. Step 7. Now select all the pieces of the design. Right-click and select Make Compound Path. Step 8. Align the design on top of the solid design. Step 9. Go to the Modify panel and select Subtract. Step 10. Drag and place the original pattern you've set aside on top of the design. Step 11. Make sure that they line up well, then select both the design and click Weld in the Modify panel. Step 12. And the design is ready to be cut or printed. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.